Did you know you can grow healthy, delicious food right at home, without chemicals, without complicated tools, and without harming the planet? Organic gardening is simpler than you think, and the rewards are endless. Today, I'm walking you through the basics of organic gardening so you can start growing naturally, sustainably, and joyfully. Let's get our hands in the soil. Number 1. What is organic gardening? Organic gardening is about working with nature, not against it. It focuses on building healthy soil, avoiding synthetic fertilizers and pesticides, growing non-GMO, untreated seeds, supporting biodiversity. It's a method that protects your health, the planet, and future generations. Number 2, start with healthy soil. Healthy plants begin with healthy soil. Easy steps. Add organic compost to your garden beds. Use natural soil amendments like worm castings or bone meal. Avoid chemical fertilizers. Feed the soil, not just the plants. Good soil is alive, with worms, microbes, and rich nutrients. Number 3, choose organic seeds and seedlings. Start with clean, untreated, non-GMO seeds whenever possible. Where to find them? Certified organic seed companies, farmers markets, local seed swaps. Seeds are the first link in the organic chain. Choose wisely. Number 4, plant a variety of crops. Diversity in your garden strengthens the ecosystem. Plant suggestions. Rotate crops each season. Mix vegetables, herbs, and flowers. Use companion planting like tomatoes plus basil. A diverse garden is naturally healthier and more productive. Number 5, use natural pest control. You don't need harsh chemicals to manage pests. Natural solutions. Attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. Use neem oil, garlic spray, or soap water mixtures. Remove pests by hand when needed. Healthy gardens find balance naturally over time. Number 6, feed your garden naturally. Instead of synthetic fertilizers, organic gardens use what nature provides. Organic fertilizers, compost tea, fish emulsion, seaweed extracts. These natural boosters improve soil health and support strong growth. Number 7, water wisely and sustainably. Efficient watering nurtures plants and conserves resources. Watering tips. Water early morning or late afternoon. Use soaker hoses or drip irrigation. Mulch your beds to retain moisture. A well-watered garden is a thriving garden and a sustainable one too. Number 8, mulch to protect your soil. Mulching is an organic gardener's secret weapon. Best mulches: straw, shredded leaves, grass clippings. Mulch keeps soil moist, cool, and teeming with life. Number 9, encourage beneficial wildlife. Wildlife brings your garden into natural balance. How to invite good visitors. Provide bird baths and bee hotels. Plant nectar-rich flowers. Avoid using any synthetic chemicals. A lively, buzzing, singing garden is a healthy garden. Number 10, be patient and learn with nature. Organic gardening teaches us patience and resilience. Important reminders. Nature works on its own timeline. Observe, adapt, and keep learning. Celebrate every success and every lesson. You're not just growing food, you're growing yourself. Organic gardening isn't just a method, it's a way of living closer to nature. Which organic gardening tip are you most excited to try first? So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.